getting ready to be pulled up on land, where we're going to repaint the bottom of the boat and do some other maintenance stuff. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on the Kids on Board YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be covering our time on land, and we'll start off at the ramp where we were pulled up. As you can see here, they didn't really know what they were doing, and we almost crashed the boat into the rocks. I guess this is all a bit scary, and it doesn't really seem like they know what they're doing. They couldn't really find the point where they were supposed to lift the boat, so they've been, going around knocking everywhere for an hour now. Eventually, they got us onto the tractor, and we were told to get off the boat, and they started pulling us up and out of the boat.
Der bare sidder nede bagved. Hvis kablet knækker, så han bare...
And as you can see, the boat desperately needed to be fixed up a bit. We had coral growing on the boat. Anyways, so we immediately grabbed all of our tools, and we started first with some metal scrapers, and we scraped all the barnacles we could off of the boat before sanding it down. And we also got to work on the propellers. And here you see me working on restoring our old gas bottles. This took a couple of days, and if you want to see more, I'll have a link to the video down in the description, so make sure to go check that out. Anyways, when we were done sanding, we cleaned off all the dust from the boat, and this was to make sure that the primer would have a strong bond. The next morning we got to work on priming the boat, and this also took a couple of days.
Og så skal det der bare snores rundt.
Ja. Det skal det også. Men det er jo ikke blandet endnu.
Of course, we also hold some breaks from work. Once the primer was dry, we started with the anti-fouling paint. This is what keeps all the different things from growing on the bottom of our boat. So the last one, as you saw, did not work so well. So let's hope this one is better. And after working for a long time, we received some new crew and went to a restaurant to have a last dinner before we went into the water. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!